Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore the Basel problem, the series 1 over n squared when n starts from 1 to infinity equals pi squared over 6. Now if a polynomial has a root b and c, then the polynomial can be written as f of s equals s minus b times s minus c, right? Now we're going to start with the sine function. The sine function has the 0, plus and minus pi, plus and minus 2 pi, plus and minus 3 pi, etc. Right? In general, it's going to be n pi, where n is an integer, right? First 0 right here can be written as s minus 0, right? And it's going to be translated to factor s only, right? Now the second one right here can be written as 2 factor, right? S minus pi times s plus pi. Now we're gonna distribute this one. It's gonna be s squared minus pi squared, right? Now we're gonna divide both sides by pi squared. So it's gonna be s squared over pi squared minus 1, right? Now I want 1 in the front, so I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1, right? So this guy turns out to be negative, and this guy turns out to be negative, right? And I just rewrite this one as 1 minus s squared over pi squared, right? Now if you keep repeating for all zeros, you're going to end up with, so you have the 0 right here, and you have this guy, this guy. Now I'm going to put them together. Now I'm going to expand the right hand side, so it turns out to be, right? I don't care about the other one, I just care about the coefficient of s squared, right? We need to write the Taylor series for the function sine s over s. Alright, so remember we have sine s is s minus s cubed over 3 factorial plus s to the 5th over 5 factorial minus etc. Right? If you want to refresh the Taylor series of the function sine of s, please check out the link in the description below. Now I'm going to divide both sides by s, so it's going to be sine s over s equals 1 minus s squared over 6 plus s to the 4 over 120 minus etc. Right? Now I look at this one right here, sine s the same, right? So the right hand side must be the same, right? 1 right here the same, right? Now I just equate the coefficient of s squared right here and coefficient of s squared right here, right? So I'm going to end up with, I'm going to factor 1 over pi out, right? So it could be, now I'm going to multiply both sides by pi squared. And the one inside right here actually the series 1 over n squared when n starts from 1 to infinity equals pi squared over 6. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand